Hey guys, in this video I will show you how to transfer photos from iPhone to PC using iTunes. Alright, let's begin. First, open your iPhone and download the app called Documents by Reddle from the App Store. Next, open the Photos app and select all the photos and videos you want to transfer. Tap the share icon in the bottom left corner, scroll down, and choose Save to Documents. Once done, open the Documents app. In the Inbox folder, you'll find all the saved photos and videos. Select them, tap Move To, then choose Cable Imports and tap Move. Now connect your iPhone to your PC using a USB cable. Open iTunes on your PC. On your iPhone, tap Trust this computer. On your PC, click the phone icon in the top left of iTunes and wait for it to load. From the left side menu, select File Sharing. Choose the Documents app, and all your files will appear. Select them, click Save, and choose the destination folder. So that's basically how you can transfer photos from iPhone to PC using iTunes. And that's it for this video. If you find this video helpful, please consider subscribing and leaving a like. Thanks.